Storm signals are raised as a super typhoon has entered Philippine territory. Just 2 days ago, Super Typhoon Inday with international name Bavi battered the island of Rota, Guam, and the Northern Marianas. Let's get the latest from Benison Estareja of Pag-asa. He's also BNC's resident meteorologist. Hi, Benison. So itong si Super Typhoon Inday ay lumakas pa?
Yes, Miss Mai. As of at 10 in the morning, lumakas pa po ng bahagya itong si Super Typhoon Inday. From 185 naging 195 kilometers per hour po yung taglay nito na hangin. Pumasok siya kanina alas 3 po ng madaling araw.
Dito kay Super Typhoon Inday, at tama ba by Friday siya pinakamalapit sa extreme northern Luzon?
Yes, as of the moment, nasa 1,270 kilometers east of northern Luzon ito, and we're expecting na unti-unti siyang lalapit. Possibly by Friday po, closest siya dito sa may Paping Batanes. Nonetheless, malayo pa rin po yung kanyang sentro, no? So there's no landfall scenario regarding dito kay Super Typhoon Inday. However, dahil po ito ay napakalawak na bagyo, which is around 800 to 900 kilometers yung kanyang radius or distance from center hanggang sa kanyang outermost parts, mahagip pa rin po yung malalakas na hangin itong northern and eastern portions of Luzon.
Pero where is it actually going to hit? Sa Taiwan ba o sa Japan? Malinaw na ba ito yung track forecast niya?
It's literally between those two areas po. Itong Okinawa, Japan and northern Taiwan, doon po tatawid yung sentro nitong si Super Typhoon Inday, and possibly by that time nasa typhoon category na lamang po ito, which is around Friday evening up until morning of Saturday.
Okay, Benison, please explain to our viewers why, even if it's not going to make landfall here, kailangan pa rin maghanda, at ano ang mga areas na kailangan maghanda?
Yes, because essentially po yung tropical cyclone or bagyo is not just a single point, no? Yung mga may hinang bagyo, say for example, mga maliliit pa lamang yan, no? But once mag-reach siya into typhoon and super typhoon categories, mas lumalawak po ang in general yung ating mga bagyo, no? So mas maraming lugar ang affected, even if malayo siya dun sa sentro, no, yung lugar na specific na binabantayan natin. And at the same time, kapag ganitong panahon po ng southwest monsoon or hanging habagat, there's a tendency na nagkakaroon nga ng enhancement of rains dito sa may parting western section ng ating bansa. So kahit malayo itong mga sabihin nating Western Visayas, Negros Island, Zamboanga Peninsula, Bangsamoro region, and eventually itong Western Luzon in the coming days, is magkakaroon pa rin ng malalakas po na pag-ulan at mga pabugsong-bugsong hangin because of the enhanced southwest monsoon, not necessarily from the bagyo itself.
Okay, Benison, how can we compare Inday to Super Typhoon Karina? Naikukumpara nyo na ba siya dyan sa Pag-asa? Ito si Karina ay may international name na Gamey, and that was in July 2024, also in the month of July, ano? And combined with the habagat, it caused massive flooding and affected over 1 million people, especially sa Barm, and displaced over 200,000 people.
Yung comparison, hindi maiwasan because of course, July sila parehong pumasok ng ating part, nagdala po ng malalakas na ulan, but magkaiba yung track po nila. Itong si Karina, kahit similar dito kay Bagyong Inday na hindi rin naglandfall, na natili siya dito sa may northern part of Philippine Sea, yung kanyang direction kasi is moving northward, directly northward talaga. Habang nandito sa may North Philippine Sea, kumilos siya pahilaga, which means na sustain niya yung pag-enhance po ng southwest monsoon for several days. And at one point nga parang, di ba, parang isang morning na nag-boost talaga siya ng napakaraming ulan dito sa may Metro Manila at mga nearby areas. Whereas itong nakikita natin na si Bagyong Inday, mas spread out yung kanyang dadaling malalakas po na ulan. No? So, as far as dito sa may Ilocos region, by Friday up until Saturday, down dito sa may Zamboanga Peninsula, distributed yung malalakas po na ulan at maaaring mas mabilis lang as compared to Karina yung ibabagsak niyang ulan.
Okay, so the threat is the amount of rain that Super Typhoon Inday is going to bring. Kailangan talagang maghanda ang mga maraming lugar. Maraming salamat, Benison Estareja, BNC resident meteorologist.